it's Rhonda from R&J RV Adventures. As you know, we're getting ourselves healthy, and that means eating way better than we have before. We are on a ketogenic diet, and it has worked wonders for both of us. One thing we had to look at much differently was snacking, because we travel a lot. So that's kind of what this video is about. The fact that we travel, we eat keto, we have to find snacks that will work for us while we're on the road. Luckily for us, there are plenty of prepackaged keto snacks out there, but you have to be careful because not everything labeled keto is good for you or even just okay for you. And sometimes those net carbs can be a little too high for a keto snack. There can even be hidden ingredients in there that are just plain bad for you. So just be aware of that when you see something labeled keto. Make sure it truly is. And make sure it has good stuff in it for you. The ones we feature in this video, while they may not be the absolute best for you, they won't derail your progress. And they can help keep you on track when you start getting a little snackish. Okay, first up, Catalina Crunch. This stuff is really good. It's cinnamon toast flavor, and it kind of looks like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And to me, it tastes like a combination of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Golden Grams, but it's a little denser. Let's see, 5 net carbs per serving, and a serving is half a cup. It's a little bit higher on the net carbs than I usually like, but it's still good, and I only eat just a little bit at a time. And it's very, very filling. So it's actually really good. All right, next up is Wisps Cheese Crisps. These are a nice little snack. They are 1 carb for 19 crisps. That's quite a bit. I can only ever eat just a couple at a time. They're quite salty. But another thing that you can do with them, crumble them up and use them as a salad topper. That's really, really good. They're just a nice little snack to have around. Also, these, I believe we got these at Costco, and I didn't say about the previous one, Catalina Crunch. I believe we got this at Sam's, so just so you know. All right, next up is Keto Nut Granola, blueberry cinnamon flavor. This is so, so good. I think my favorite part is the actual dried blueberries in it. It's got 3 net carbs for a 1/3 cup, so it's a good sized little snack. It has sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut chips, almonds, pecans, erythritol, and monk fruit extract, which are your sweeteners, butter, blueberries, cinnamon, and salt. Now, to let you know, the erythritol, monk fruit sweeteners, I think it's the monk fruit that adds that cooling effect to it. So it's a little odd, but it's actually not as much as I've tasted in other things that are sweetened with monk fruit. Also, it does have coconut chips. If you don't like the taste of coconut, you don't have to worry. It doesn't taste like coconut. And they're quite big chips. I think it's because they're toasted or something. But I didn't even realize there was coconut in it when I started eating it. So it's actually really, really good, and we love this stuff. And also, we bought this at Costco. All right, next up is one of my favorites, bombs, also known as fat bombs. These are little dark chocolate squares. They have almond butter, almonds, pecans, coconut, hemp powder protein, sea salt, and medium chain triglycerides within them. They are just so yummy. The dark chocolate is so good. A serving size of these is 2 of the squares, and it's only 1 net carb. You can't beat it. I only ever eat 1 of these at a time myself because the dark chocolate is so rich. So, I mean, that's even better if you just eat 1 at a time. But these are just amazing little snacks, and we've had a couple bags of these so far, and we love them. All right, last but certainly not least, is Keto BBQ flavored snack mix. This is a good little snack, especially if you like Chex Mix, and you like that crunch of the Chex Mix. This is a good sub. This is a really bold flavor. It's barbecue. It's got some spice to it. It's got the crunch. It's just really, really yummy. The best part, it's 3 net carbs for a third cup. So really you're getting a good amount for a nice little snack. I love this stuff. We've gone through several bags. I always make sure to have a couple extra on hand because we love this so much. Oh, and I forgot to say, we get this at Costco. It's $9.99. Really, really good. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have a favorite keto snack, leave it in the comments below. We always love trying new snacks. And if we get enough ideas for new snacks, we may just do a new video on them. Like maybe a snack haul and us trying them. So please don't hesitate to leave your ideas for keto snacks down below. And we'll see you out there.